I'm Luke Morey. I'm from Zeeland, Michigan. I'm racing with Carson Brown Motorsports out of the same shops. It's stepped up a lot since the series was created. One of the biggest reasons we're running it today is just competition.
Kaede Loudy from Rogersville, Tennessee. Started racing when I was 5. Go-karts, raced straight late models for 2 years. Slowly transitioned to the super late model stuff.
My name's Oakley Johns from Hornwall, Tennessee. I started racing when I was I think I was around 15. I'd done some limited shows there around the house, run some super races, but not really to the competitive level.
I'm Mario Gresham, been racing since 2007, 2008, I guess. First year trying to do some super late model stuff. You know, we've had a lot of success and limited 602, run 604 touring for the last couple years. We're getting our feet wet. We're learning.
Dillard Hatchett from Cornersville, Tennessee, driving the number 59 CNT Racing super late model. Kind of put this deal together toward the end of last year, and this will be our first full year in supers.
I wanted to run a series, but I know I can't financially afford to run a national tour. So I work in the shop at Barry Wright's during the day, and then after, work, we work on our stuff in the evenings, and Dad told me if you wanted to race, you're gonna have to work for it. So that's what I've done.
We got a logging company we run. We actually have a chicken barns that works 7 days a week. We got right at 150 head of cattle right now. Like our working side of things is hectic, 7 days a week work.
My wife's my biggest supporter, and she works her butt off all week with me. And most of the time, it's me and her. I mean, it's tough because you dedicate all your time, all your resources. You live, breathe, eat, sleep, everything to be better every single time. But, I try to remind myself, I'm standing right now where I just wished I was 10 years ago.
And there's a lot of people that thought we was crazy when I told them that, yeah, we're gonna run Hunt Front, first year in super. I've quickly found out that there ain't much to prepare you for a super late model. When you get in that thing, you're 900 horsepower to the floor, like a little 350 horsepower crate motor ain't gonna help you a lot.
We moved down here a few years ago, so I'm getting used to the southeast region, but every once in a while, like this year, on-off weekends for Hunt the Front, we'll go up and race in the Ohio, Indiana region, just because that's where we're from. No matter what happens, we're just here to learn. If we get Rookie of the Year, I'll be happy. If we don't, I'm still gonna go into next year, same mindset.
It ain't gonna be easy by no means, but I'm here to win.
If we can jump in here and get our ass kicked this first year, maybe it'll make us better for next year.
This year is definitely going to be a building block. We're setting ourselves up for future success.
There's none of us that don't have a chance at winning